So I ordered a mystery box of succulents. There's supposed to be 40 different succulents in here. It was 36 bucks, free shipping, and there's also supposed to be a free gift with every order. I don't know if that just means there's going to be 41 succulent cuttings, but I'm super excited to get in and see what we got. Okay, I feel like this might be the free gift. And these, I guess, are the 40 succulent cuttings. This is really cool. Okay, awesome. There is definitely 40 there. I was, like, concerned, but there is definitely 40. I'm not very good with succulents, so I probably don't know the names of any of these. But I think they're really pretty. And I'm super excited to see what I can do with them. Ooh, I like this one. And it is really cold where I am at the moment, but I have grow lights and heat mats, so I am pretty confident I can get most of these guys to root. I'm super excited. This just like exceeded expectations completely. I don't know if this guy's a donkey tail, but I've always wanted a donkey tail, so that would be cool. Ooh, I like this guy. This guy is cool. It's got a very long viney kind of one. I am gonna get these guys into soil right away. Oh, we have an aloe. I don't know exactly what aloe this is, but I know this is an aloe. Awesome. Some more hanging guys. But yeah, I am going to get these guys into soil straight away. And hopefully they will root. I think that's a chain of pearls, which I don't have yet, which is awesome. So, number 10 is this little guy here. And there's still 30 more to go. But this is awesome. I am very happy with this. This is an Echeveria, I think. But yes, this order has definitely exceeded expectations. They're all in excellent condition. Shipped really fast. I'm super happy with them. That's just awesome. And as promised, they're all different so far. Some of these are so cute. I love all of them. I'm super excited to see how well they grow. I haven't had too much experience with succulents. It's mainly been the cactuses, but I'm excited to get into them. And this is a really good way to start. About 80 cents each. And delivered within a week in amazing condition. And they're definitely all different as promised. I really like this guy. This is like a string of bananas or a string of beans. I really like this guy. He's cool. Oh. I'm definitely drawn to the hanging ones a lot. I know I can do some pretty cool looking things with them. Oh, I like this guy. Got some flowers on him already. Honestly, I hope a lot of these guys survive. I hope all of them survive. But it is the middle of winter where I am, and I'm not 100% sure that I'll survive, but I'll do my very best. and we'll keep you all updated. Oh, this guy's a bit dried out. But out of probably 30 so far, this is probably the only one I would say isn't in the best condition. This one's got a bit as well. Maybe it's just the ones on the bottom got a bit crushed. Hopefully they come good. Oh, I like this guy. It's got some purple on there. Bit of a flower bud going, I believe. And the Echeveria and a leaf, which hopefully will go as well. Okay, so I've lost count at this point, but there is well and truly 40. Oh, flowering. Oh, they're so pretty. And the leaf falling off. Yeah, I think the ones at the bottom just got a bit crushed, but all in all, awesome condition, super happy. I will link the eBay seller at the bottom of the description. Oh, I like him. He is really cool, I really like him. And we've just got some miscellaneous leaves that I'll also try to make root. Just in the bottom of the box there. And now for the For You free gift. There's some more leaves that should root. Excited about this guy. Just a bunch of miscellaneous leaves that fingers crossed root and wrapped up all nicely. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, and he already has roots. That's awesome. That's really cool. Wow. Amazing. So that's what I got in my 40 cuttings of succulent mystery box. Super happy. First I have to put these guys in some soil and fingers crossed they root. I'll keep you all updated, and thanks for watching. And I finally got them into soil. The final count was exactly 41 different succulent cuttings plus the free gift that was already rooted there. I think for 36 bucks, that's pretty awesome.